Hello, mabuhay! Welcome to Conquest Episode 3. And for today's video, we are here at the University of San Agustin for our new challenge. And this is Ambush Interview. Let's go!
Let's go!
What is the largest living reptile?
Elephant? Ay, hindi!
Palpak!
Salamander.
Palpak!
Saltwater crocodile.
Crocodile!
Tumpak! What is the plural form of bacterium?
Bacteria.
I don't know.
Palpak! What is the plural form of datum?
I don't know.
Palpak!
Data.
Tumpak, ganun! What is the only planet that spins clockwise? May other chance pa ako. Final answer? Palpak.
Jupiter.
Palpak! What is the most popular lucky number? 7.
Tumpak, ganun!
7.
Tumpak, ganun!
3.
Palpak!
7.
Tumpak, ganun! What is the plural form of alumnus?
Ano man ang
Next.
Ako napaputok sa lumpia. Mga alumnus sa lumpia.
Alumni.
Tumpak, ganun. What is the Sleeping Beauty's name?
Bell.
Palpak!
Aurora.
Aurora.
Tumpak, ganun.
What does a camel store in its hump?
Fat.
Fat.
Tumpak, ganun.
Who is SpongeBob's best friend?
Patrick.
Tumpak!
Ganun.
Patrick Star.
Tumpak, ganun! Sino ang unang presidente ng Pilipinas?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Tumpak, ganun! What is the largest planet?
Jupiter.
Tumpak, ganun! What animal has the largest eyes?
Tertiary.
Palpak! Ano ang full name ni Dr. Jose Rizal?
Jose Protasio Rizal E. Quintos.
Palpak!
Ano?
The correct answer is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado E. Alonso Rialonda.
Okay.
What is the first university in Western Visayas?
Of course, the University of San Agustin.
Tumpak, ganun! How many arms does octopus have?
8.
Tumpak, ganun!
Ano pagid?
What is the plural form of criterion?
Criteria.
Tumpak, ganun!
What is the plural form of alumnus? What is the plural form of agendum? Agenda, girl. Agenda. Tumpak, ganun!
Sino ang pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas?
Si John Lawrence Longanilla.
Tumpak, ganun!
Next,
What is your FB account? Sir, may interview kami sa inyo, sir.
Hi,
Pwede.
sir. May interview kami sa Amos, sir.
Sino ang unang presidente ng Pilipinas?
Sinong tao nagpasuot sa'yo niyan?
Siyempre,
Kabalo ka nga, hindi na according to Agustin yan, wearing clothes.
Pasensya po.
Okay,
Last,
sino ang the only female hero?
No.
Melchora
Not that.
Balasa. Melchora Balasa.
Ako ba to, yes, sir?
What is the
Ikaw to.
smallest planet?
What is the small?
Are in R.